Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I did these gorgeous orange glitter glass nails with encapsulated flowers. So for this look, I'll be using Long Hair Pretty Nails clear acrylic along with this orange and gold glitter, also available at longhairprettynails.com. I'll leave a link down below. I'll be using these dried flowers from GearBest and this orange acrylic from Mia Secret. Alright, so I've already applied my nail forms and I'm going in with the Nails Nail Prep Dehydrator. And then the No Lift Nails Primer. And I'm just going to start off with clear acrylic just to do the fill-in. And then while that acrylic is still wet, I'm just going to pack on the orange glitter. So I'm going for a ombre look for this nail. So I am packing the glitter very dense on the nail bed area. And then I'm just going to fan it towards the tip. And I'm making sure to not go all the way down the length of the nail with the glitter because I do want the clear tips to show through. So as I get further down the length of the nail, I'm just, spreading the glitter about the way that I want it. I'm just going to go ahead and let that dry before I encapsulate it. So while this is drying, I'm just going to move on to my ring fingernail and I am just going to sculpt out a nail. So these were my aquarium nails, which is why my ring finger and my middle finger were soaked off because obviously I took off the previous design. So yeah, that's why I am sculpting these two nails. So once I have the nail sculpted, I am just going to place some orange and gold glitter kind of in the center of the nail and kind of just, blending it upwards and downwards to just create a nice, ombre effect. And to place my dried flowers, I'm applying this IBD brush on nail glue and just holding that in place until it dries, and also making sure to apply all of the petals and making sure it's nice and flat. And I just repeat that for all of the flowers. Alright, so once everything is in place, I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate this nail with the clear acrylic. Alright, so moving on to the middle finger, I am once again sculpting this nail and then I'm just going to do my orange ombre glitter. So I just want to give a big thank you to everybody who's been supporting me. I have been overwhelmed with so much support and I am so grateful, and I am just blown away that I am almost to 100K subs. I cannot believe it. I never thought that I would get this far, and I am just so happy. I am so close and I'm just like, ah. So yeah, I'm just very, very grateful. And I just want to tell you guys thank you for all of your love and support. And yeah, you guys are freaking awesome. So for the index fingernail, I'm just going to repeat the same thing. So I thought that I would include my thumb. I've had people request, me doing my thumb. I just kind of cut it out because my videos are long as it is, and I was just like, it's kind of repetitive. But some people will like to see me do my thumb, so that is why I left this in here. All right, so once everything is set, I'm just gonna go ahead and cap all of the glitter nails with the clear acrylic. And I'm just starting off with the middle finger first because it's on a form. And I just want this to go ahead and set so I can take this form off. And I get questions about this diamond that I work on. This is my Nelfi diamond, and it is available on my website. I will leave a link down below. All right, so I wanted to do some netting work on my middle finger. So I am applying a thin layer of clear to the tip. And then I'm dipping my net into my clear acrylic. And then once the clear acrylic begins to go matte, I go ahead and place the net on and hold it in place. And this was kind of a fail because it only took on one side of the nail, but that is okay. So I went ahead and applied the Mia Secret orange acrylic over the indentations of the netting, and that is how I created like this, you know, half net design on the tip. And then once I let that acrylic dry, I just kind of went over it with a little bit of clear just to seal it in. And this is after I have done all of my shaping and filing, and now I'm going in with the Poochie Snails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And as you can see, these nails just come to life. This orange glitter has amazing shine to it. It's so pretty, and it is so appropriate for this hot ass weather that we're having here in Nashville. And then before I cure, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a orange Swarovski crystal and my iridescent crystals. The iridescent crystals are available on my website. Link will be down below. So then I'm going to cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And once my nails have cooled, I'm applying cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. Beautiful, bright nail design. Got the glass tips, got the glitter, got the encapsulated flower. I really love how these turned out. And I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to longcareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and share. And I will talk to you in my next one.